Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. In this video, I'll be showing how you can get free domain and hosting and run your WordPress website in one click. Now let's see how you can do this one. So for this one, first you need to go to the test WP website. I have put the link on my description. Just go to this website. On there you will find such an interface. You can see there is a message, get a test of WordPress. So just click agree term and condition and click on set it up. So here is your site link, your username and your password. Just copy this one for later, and if you click access now, so now your site is ready. In this way you can get your WordPress site in one click, and they will show you, give you this site for 2 days, and after that you can again create another site. So this is very easy process to have your WordPress site, though there is a limitation for this. This is for only for testing purposes. So if you need to test your plugin in a new site, or you need to test your theme or anything else on new site, this is very useful for any user. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please share with someone who need this one, and don't forget to share with your colleague and your site partner. Thank you for watching the video, and subscribe my channel for the more amazing video.